Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Today we're looking at the RockJam 61 key keyboard piano. In today's video, I want to talk a little bit about this keyboard piano and also help you know what you can expect when using it. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a tip to help you get the most out of this keyboard. Now, this keyboard does come with a lot of different accessories, including a stand to go ahead and hold it up. And one thing that's really nice is that that knob right there can actually be used to adjust the height of the keyboard. In addition, you get a sheet music stand that can be detached if needed, and you also have a bench for the piano. This is all included with this piano, in addition to one of my favorite features, the headphones that they provide. So if you want to play this piano keyboard quietly, you can do so. Now, this keyboard does have speakers on either side of the keyboard, right over there and right here, and you do have volume control over this keyboard as well, which you can do right here from the volume buttons. You can increase the volume and it does go very, very loud, or you can decrease it all the way down to, I think volume 1 is the lowest, and that is a very nice and soft sound. You'll notice when you actually play that you do get that soft sound. You also have many features such as sustain, which replicates the foot pedals of a regular piano. There's a built-in metronome, and you can actually go ahead and adjust the tempo of the built-in metronome by pushing down the tempo. Now, while this is a beginner keyboard, I've been very impressed with just how accurate the tone of the keys are. And because it's electronic, you'll never have to worry about tuning it. Overall, with the piano keyboard bench, the piano keyboard stand, the keyboard, and the headphones, I think this is a fantastic bundle for anyone just getting started, or for those that are looking for all the accessories to begin playing right out of the box. Now, I did want to give you a tip to help you get the most out of this keyboard. You'll notice here on the left, on the list of tones, the numbers are in blue, and over here on the right side of the keyboard, the numbers are in red for the rhythm. Now you'll go ahead and select the corresponding color to change whichever one you would like. If we want to go ahead and change the rhythm, we'll click the red rhythm button. We'll type in the code that we want. Let's do 02 for waltz, and then we'll go ahead and hit start. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and adjust the tone of the piano to, say, vibraphone, we'll go over here and hit tone. We'll type in 01, and then we'll go ahead and begin playing with the vibraphone tone. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.